friends. I hope that you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I am trying to stay cool in this North Carolina heat. Have you been dealing with the heat wave? Let me know. But while we're dealing with the heat, I wanted to share some budget-friendly tips through the Art of Organization. How can you save money in your home to take that money and then put it towards the vacation fund? There are little things that we can do to really not only create beautiful experiences in our home, but really just maximize and efficiently run our home. So I want to share that with you today, and I hope that you and your families will find that extremely helpful. I also want to thank my sponsors of the video today, Best Buy, because I'm going to be sharing with you the Tablo, which you can get at Best Buy, and it is a great way to save money also in your home when it comes to your entertainment, such as watching that live television and watching your streaming channels that we all love. So definitely stay tuned for that. But now let's jump into the tips. Okay, friends, my first tip is to archive those instruction manuals and those warranties in your home. You don't want that clutter around your home. It makes your home less efficient, which can cost you money, can cost you time and stress. And also it makes it more efficient when you need to address items such as repairs with your equipment, or if you need to return anything, or you need to utilize that warranty, you're able to get to it so that you can save that money. And so having it archived just makes it right there at your fingertips. You can put it in the cloud so that you can access it anywhere. You can be in the store and need to kind of pull something up and you have it. I also like taking photos of the boxes my things come in, where the serial number and all that is. It just makes it simple to capture that serial number. And this is something that you can do right from your phone. Doesn't take a lot of time. I encourage you to do it as you bring those new products in your home. So when you bring them in, you just go ahead and archive them from your phone at that time, and that way it does not become a project. So my next tip, friends, and I share this with my clients all the time, is to set up a reuse store, or a store rather, in your home. This is a place where you put all of those things that you don't necessarily need to use right now to kind of organize your home or decorate your home, but it's a store that you can shop at home before you literally go out there and spend money. And so this can really, really help you streamline the amount of money that you waste trying to buy things that you may already have. Or, sometimes being able to go to one place and seeing that inventory, it helps you be creative in how you can use those things instead of buying something else. So taking a shelf in a closet, taking a bin, somewhere where you can create a store, and all of those extra organizers that you have, those extra vases for decor you have, or pillows that you have, anything that you have that does not have a place for your home, but you know that you want to be able to shop from there later, create that beautiful area in your home, and it really can be a space that you create that truly saves you money. Because oftentimes, friends, you can't remember a lot of all the things that you have in your home, but if you have this one location, it really can help you have that place to go to say, oh yeah, I forgot I had these, I can use this. So it really can be helpful. So friends, my next tip is first in and first out. You've probably heard of this before, but it's just making sure that for those areas that you restock, such as the food in your fridge, that you're making sure that the stuff that was first in then becomes the stuff that is first out. And you want to always have that method of kind of putting the older things on top so that you use those first. This will keep your pantry from getting overwhelmed. It will keep things from expiring, which is a waste of money, and it really helps your food cycle through efficiently. So friends, the next tip I want to share with you is now something that you can find on bestbuy.com, or go to Best Buy, and it's that Tablo, and it allows you to watch your TV for free, and that is a great money saver. All you have to do is purchase your Tablo, purchase an antenna if you don't already have one, and you're able to connect through Wi-Fi and get all of that live TV and those channels that you love. I have to be honest, I did not know that Tablo existed, but then I was like, this is really, really great for all of us to really save money on that just big bill when it comes to our entertainment. And I love the fact that I can purchase this one simple device with the antenna, very affordable, easy setup, but then I can watch my TV and record and stream all the things that I love right from my TV or from my phone, because again, like I said, it goes through your Wi-Fi, but it's easy to connect. And you guys know I always say this, it has to be simple. Whenever I'm looking at products or I'm presented with products, first thing I'm looking for, okay, nothing convoluted. I can't take it, especially now at this time in my life. No, I need the simplicity. And I love that this brings the simplicity, but then it also really just helps with saving money. So normally, friends, I would have Mike just go ahead and set up everything for me, but I really love the fact that this is a simple thing to do. So I was like, well, let me set it up to see just how simple this is. And it was simply about pulling it out the box. It's like a 1, 2, 3. Everything I noticed was 1, 2, 3. You know, you have the Tablo, and then you just have your kind of power plug, and then you just kind of have your you know, the plug to plug into the internet. So it just really was that 1, 2, 3 method in every part of this process. And so the instructions were very simplified. You plug in your power, you plug in, you can't miss it. And then as soon as I hooked it up right to the antenna, went and downloaded the app, it walked me through it. And so I love an app that just walks you through it. You do what it says and you go to next. And in no time, I was able to access all my wonderful channels. I'm able to record them. I'm able to enjoy them on my phone. And I just really just love the efficiency of this and the affordability of it. The fact that there's no subscription. You're not going to have a subscription. You're not going to have any additional costs with this outside of buying your Tablo and buying your antenna. And then whatever internet, of course, you have to have your internet service, of course, because it is Wi-Fi enabled. But it's just really, if you're looking for that way to really have your live TV and be able to do your streaming and all that, this is just really that budget-friendly way to not have that bill every month, that added bill every month. So I will definitely link that down below, and check out Best Buy for the Tablo, because it really is just an amazing way to have that entertainment at home in an efficient way. So perfect video to share this with you in, as I'm sharing with you ways to save money through the art of organization. So I hope that this was, because again, like I said, I had never heard of Tablo before. I know I'm old school, so I know this is probably not new to some of you, but if it is, I hope that it really is helpful to you. So friends, the next thing is to create a command center, that one central place that the family can come to get those things that they need. You may want to keep extra cash in there. You want to keep your meal plan there. You want to keep spare keys there. That place that reduces the stress, reduces you from having to say, oh, I lost a key, I got to go buy and make a new key, or, I don't have a centralized place to meal plan or a process for that, so I'm going to go spend more money with DoorDash and all the other options that make things easier. Or you have I like to keep cash in my my command center, because sometimes someone comes to the door and you want to be able to kind of just pay with cash versus having to pay with credit card, or pay or not even being able to pay. So having a little cash on hand is always helpful on those times that you just need to quickly pay for something without kind of using a bank card or credit card or anything like that. So it just really can be an efficient way, and it can be a place that just really serves the family well, and you can make it however you want, with whatever fits your family, and really just solve a lot of problems of always having to look for stuff or rebuy stuff because you can't find it. You can kind of corral those things in your command center. The next tip, friends, is to create a lost and found for your home. Oftentimes businesses and places you go, they will have a lost and found, especially at schools, they have a lost and found. Well, if you have a lost and found, that can be great, because as a family, you may find something that belongs to a family member or someone, and you have no idea whose it is or where it goes. That can be a place that anyone in the family can go whenever they're missing anything, and it just cuts down on time, effort, and money of someone losing something, not finding it, or just kind of a miscommunication of me finding it and not telling you where it's at. So having a centralized place that family can go to put something that they find that they don't know where it goes, or to retrieve something that they have lost, can really be a great setup in your home. So friends, the next tip is to really have a monthly pantry challenge. This is where 1 week out of the month, you simply, as a family, say, we're not buying any groceries. Everything that we make for dinner this week has to come from our pantry and our fridge. And it helps you clean out that stuff that has been sitting and is about to expire. And so by not bringing any more in for 1 week, you're allowing yourself to really filter out that food that needs to go. You can be creative with the meals, pull out those canned goods, that pasta, get in the freezer. What meat has been in there too long that is almost, we need to really use it. And it really forces you to eat that stuff that you may have bought, but you're not really interested in eating it. You're still not wasting the food, you're getting through it. And so having that 1 week a month that you do kind of no grocery shopping, we source our food from our pantry and our fridge, you will be surprised the delicious meals that you can create from there and how that helps you keep your pantry and your fridge decluttered. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I also want to mention that you can get your Tableau at bestbuy.com or at the Best Buy store. I'll put the link in the description box below. I hope that you've enjoyed the tips that I've shared with you today and can find it helpful for you in your home. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.